In this video, you'll learn how to apply and edit hatch patterns in ideCAD architectural to represent floor finishes and enhance drawing clarity. We'll explore the three hatch types, user-defined, parametric, and bitmap, and show you how to customize properties like pattern angle, scale, color, and offsets. You'll also learn how to use automatic hatch for enclosed areas, draw hatch boundaries manually, and update existing hatches with new settings. Finally, we'll cover the hatch hole feature, which helps improve text visibility by clearing space around labels like zone names. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create clean, informative, and visually polished drawings using hatches in your architectural plans. After creating the zones, you may want to apply hatch patterns to visually indicate floor finishes, such as wood or ceramic tile. To do this, use the Hatch command found under the Drawings tab in the Hatch section. This allows you to represent material information directly on the drawing, enhancing clarity for both presentation and documentation purposes. The program offers three types of hatch patterns: user-defined hatch, parametric hatch, bitmap hatch. When you click on user-defined hatch, the hatch toolbar will appear. Clicking the settings icon opens a dialog box where you can access all hatch types and make the necessary adjustments, such as pattern type, angle, scale, and color. For example, in parametric hatch type, you'll see lines placed at specific intervals along the X and Y axis. These lines create a structured grid-like pattern. You can customize a variety of properties, including color, angle, offset distance, as well as horizontal and vertical offsets. In user-defined hatches, the program offers a collection of preloaded default patterns. These patterns can be used as they are or customized to suit your design requirements. Within the Settings dialog, you can adjust various parameters such as color, angle, offset distance, and scale. Bitmap hatches include a variety of predefined patterns commonly used in international projects, such as ceramic tiles, wood grains, and concrete textures. You can customize their visual properties in the Pattern tab, including options like color, background color, pattern type, and offset distance. For example, if you want to show a ceramic coating in a kitchen area, you can use the parametric hatch option to apply this pattern. During the hatching process, if the automatic hatch option is enabled, the system requires a closed boundary in order to apply the hatch automatically. These boundaries can be formed by objects such as walls, doors, columns, shear walls, beams, or even 2D lines. If a complete boundary is detected, the program will automatically recognize the area and apply the hatch accordingly, ensuring clean and accurate hatch placement within the designated zone. When you click to apply a hatch, the system will automatically assign the hatch if it detects a closed area. However, if the system can't identify a closed boundary, it will display a message, "No auto hatch polygon found." Do you want to draw manual hatch polygon? If you choose yes, automatic detection is deactivated, and you can manually draw the hatch boundary. This method allows for free-form hatching, similar to how you define zone edges or zone holes, giving you flexibility to work with non-rectangular or open-ended spaces. If you want to edit an existing hatch, simply double-click the hatch object to open its settings. You can select a new hatch type, whether it's parametric, user-defined, or bitmap. After making your selection and clicking OK, the hatch will be updated with the new pattern you specified. When you change properties such as the color or scale of the hatch, the selected hatch will be updated accordingly based on your adjustments. After completing the hatching process, you may notice that the zone text appears behind the hatch, reducing its readability. To make the text more legible, it's helpful to define a whole area within the hatch, essentially creating a clear space behind the text. This improves both the visual clarity and presentation quality of your drawing. To do this, use the hatch hole command found in the hatch section. This command functions similarly to creating a zone hole. When you activate the command, if no closed boundary is detected, the system will display a prompt, "No auto hatch hole polygon found." Do you want to draw manual hatch hole polygon? If you select yes, you can manually draw the whole boundary, allowing you to create a clear space around the zone text for better visibility. When you use the cursor to select the area around the zone text and define a boundary, the program excludes that region from the hatch, effectively removing the pattern beneath the text. As a result, the zone text becomes more visible, enhancing both the visual appeal and the readability of your drawing. We've now completed the hatch creation and editing process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the knowledge base for more tips. See you in the following video.